Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a farmer who owned two animals, a loyal horse and a clever little goat. One morning, the horse suddenly fell ill. It lay on the ground, too weak to move. Alarmed, the farmer called the village veterinarian. After examining the horse, the vet frowned and said,
"This horse has caught a dangerous virus. I'll give it medicine for 3 days. If it doesn't improve, we'll have to put it down. Otherwise, the virus could spread to the rest of the animals."
The goat, standing nearby, heard every word. The next day, after the vet left, the goat trotted up to the sick horse and whispered,
"Come on, friend. You have to get up. If you don't, they'll end your life. Please, try. You can do it."
But the horse just lay there, too weak to respond. On the second day, the vet came again and gave the medicine. Still, no improvement. The farmer sighed with worry. The goat, more desperate than ever, nudged the horse and determined, said,
"Look, I know you're tired, but you have to stand up. I'll help you. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Just a little effort."
But the horse remained still. On the third day, the vet gave the last dose. He looked at the farmer and said gravely,
"Tomorrow, we'll have to put it down. It's not getting better, and the risk is too high."
After they left, the goat ran to the horse.
"Friend, this is your last chance. You must try. Please gather your strength just once. I believe in you."
The horse blinked slowly. Then, with great effort, he moved his leg.
"That's it. You're doing it," shouted the goat. "Now stand. Slowly. Yes, one step, then another. You're walking."
And then, miraculously, the horse began to trot across the field. The farmer, returning from the house, saw the scene and gasped, "It's a miracle! My horse is cured. He's alive!" Overjoyed, he's shouting, "This calls for a celebration. Let's throw a feast tomorrow. We'll slaughter the goat to make it special." Yes, the very goat who saved the horse's life. In life and at work, we often never see the true heroes behind success. The ones working silently, supporting from the shadows, are easily overlooked and sometimes even punished.